My next step is to stabilise the shoulder seams. You do this in the back bodice piece rather than the front. You can tell the difference between the front and the back because the neckline on the back is higher. You can buy seam tape interfacing, but I'm just going to use normal interfacing. This is just a scrap from a previous project, and I'm going to cut it down into 2 thin strips that I can put and any bits I don't use I'll just recycle. So one there. And then these just need ironing on a medium iron. So on your iron, I'd say 2 dots. I have stabilised my shoulder seams using 2 thin strips of iron-on interfacing, as in the previous video. I'm now going to sew my shoulders together, being really careful not to stretch as I sew because these want to be really flat to the body. The stabiliser that I've put on will stop me from stretching it. And I'm going to select a stretch stitch on my machine. If you haven't seen my previous video on why to use a stretch stitch, please go back and watch this now. If not, let's get sewing. So when sewing with stretch, it's really important not to sew from the very start because your machine can chew it a little bit. So I've started about 1/2 centimetre in, I've gone all the way to the end. So now I'm going to put this back under the machine and just sew off the end just to secure the end. So that's my stretch stitch all the way across my shoulder. I'm going to repeat on the other side now.